Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another exciting vocabulary video. This week we are reading A Walk in the Desert. So if you get your notebook ready and open to your note page, you can write these words down and their definitions, and then you will be all ready to fill out your word squares when you're finished. The first word this week is shimmer. When things shimmer, they shine with a soft, unsteady light. We saw a reflection of the moon shimmer on the lake. Think about what a synonym for shimmer might be. The second word is eerie. When something is eerie, it is frightening and strange. The cry of a wolf in the distance sounds eerie. Think about something that you've experienced that felt eerie. Another creepy word, lurk. To lurk is to hide, usually with a bad intention. If you see a cat lurk near a bird bath, it is likely that the cat is looking for a meal. How are the words lurk and hide the same, and how are they different? Just think about that. The next word is climate. The climate of an area is the weather that it usually has. The climate in some parts of Southern California is warm and dry. How would you describe the spring climate of Minnesota? Next word is silken. Something can be called silken if, like silk, it has delicate threads and is generally soft and shiny. The kitten's fur was silken. What other things do you think could be described as silken? Maybe this picture could help you out. The last word this week is lumbering. If you are lumbering, you are moving slowly and heavily. We saw the bears at the zoo lumbering in their cages. What would an antonym for lumbering be? Once you have all these words recorded, please get a word squares sheet and you may start filling those out.